Then on December 6th, the FDA announces their Broad Agency Announcement Day. This is a time to find out when the FDA's priorities, what the FDA's priorities are, and how you can participate if you're interested in advancing regulatory technology. Also on December 6th in Massachusetts, Waltham, Massachusetts, an in-person event with Jeff Shuren, who's the head of CDRH, Center for Devices and Radiological Health, put on by Mass Medic as a part of their regulatory roundup. On December 5th through 7th, the Digital Transformation Symposium, FDA's Office of Digital Transformation, and they're talking about how to leverage advances in data, cloud, user experience, cybersecurity, IT governance, and other things. They're going to have a Lamborghini race car driver there, and if that doesn't seem to relate, they're talking about the use of real-time data, giving a fun example of a place where that's used in the racing industry, but where they hope to be able to leverage those things in the medical technology industries. Scan the QR code to be connected to that event. And then on December 7th through 8th, this one is near and dear to my heart, Clinical Investigator Training course that the FDA is holding. So many in academia know how to write a clinical trial, but they don't know how to write it for FDA clearance. They know how to write it to be able to write a paper on it later. This is really important for anyone engaged in early stage development, thinking of conducting a clinical trial. Do your investigators understand these things? The topics covered there. It's a great one to tune into. And then on December 8th of this year, over in Schoolcraft, Michigan, C2DX, they were here at the show at Medica. They are going to be hosting the next installment of the MishBio BioMixer on December 8th from 5 to 7 p.m. Join them there. We'll look forward to seeing you there. January 16th of 2023. The FDA is holding a deadline, applications due for their Innovation Award, COVID-19 and Health Equity. The areas of interest that they're looking at, proposals that will contribute to the understanding of COVID-19 and long COVID for racial and ethnic minority populations, or contribute to the continued evaluation of safety and efficacy of FDA-approved products. It's well known that even things as different as skin color can make a huge difference in how medical devices behave, and FDA is shining a spotlight on this and saying, hey, let's look at some of these populations and try to make sure they're included in our analysis. Applications are due for that by January 16th. January 23rd and 24th, the Social Determinants of Health Summit at the Marriott in San Diego, January 23rd and 24th. And back to Michigan, the Biomedical Innovation Series put on by the University of Michigan. They're going to be covering a number of topics, intro to research commercialization, all the way through drugs, diagnostics, digital health, biomedical device development, and so on. Scan the QR code to get connected. And our friend Robin Rowe wanted to remind us that the 2023 AI Summit is happening next November 14th through 16th of 2023. A great show this year, just passed, and happening next year as well.